Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to update your status on WhatsApp web using your laptop. First, open your web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Scan the QR code with your phone to sync your account if you haven't done so already. Next, look at the left panel and click the status icon, which looks like a small circle. This will open the status panel where you can see your contacts' updates and add your own. To add your status, click the plus button at the top right. You can choose to upload a photo, video, or text. If uploading media, select your file from your computer and add a caption if you like. You can also personalize your status with text, emojis, stickers, or drawings. Once you're ready, click Share to post your status. Your contacts will now see your update and you can check back for reactions or feedback anytime. And that's it. Updating your status on WhatsApp web is quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.